Phasalo Nuyungma Bwskango Maharaja Bikramni ko Bahadurni Achaimani Sal Panda Khlaikha Maharaja Bikram Welfare Society Panda o Narwai Motom Ungi Manjaka Hastini Rajkumari Progya Deborma Abni Yaglo Uzainta Palace Bwskangni Simi Khlaijaka Kaisa Naitok Rally
Chini Bubagara Bikram Kishur Manikya Bahadur Debormoni Tini Tongthok Achaima Salo Hastini Joto Lukurokno Shibaite Khaksama Yafaro
जों जतन मुइतो तंगो 19 August Maharaja Bikramni ko Bahadurni fil sarasi bre Achaimani sal abni bage Phasalo bisi brumbrumni haike haste gonangi loaji jaka Maharaja Bikramni ko Bahadurni fil sarasi bre Achaimani sal Panda aba haike no asalo Maharaja Bikram Welfare Society ni saktharmung baibo Nuyungma Bwskango Khlaijaka Maharaja Bikramni ko Bahadurni fil sarasi bre Achaimani sal Panda Panda o Narwai Motom Ungi Manjaka Hastini Rajkumari Progya Deborma Panda o Maharaja Bikramni ko Bahadurni Mangthongo Khumbogui Bono Borom Yafarka Hastini Rajkumari Progya Deborma no Khobui Panda o Manjaknai Narwairo Abni Yaglo Rajaka Badeke
As you all know, for a very long time, when Maharaja celebrated, we tried to celebrate his 100th birthday. Before that, nobody even, gave much importance to Maharaja Manikya. We were the first to start the initiative. As an organization, we had a lot of people who came because they recognized that Maharaja, despite all the difficulties that there were in the last century, he struggled hard to unite all the people of Tripura and do a lot for the development of the state. And not just the state, he helped people from outside as well, as we all know. And in all the different fields, he modernized Tripura. And what we see today of present day Tripura is all thanks to Maharaja Manikya. So today on his birthday, we would like to, pray that, his name should go on for all the good work that he's done. And I hope this will be a message for all the people of the state to come together, to work together for the welfare of the people, because this is what Maharaja endeavored to do. His soul would be in peace if he knows that the people of Tripura are still together and they still love him and respect the family. So this is what I wish to say, and I wish everybody also a very happy holiday on Maharaja's birthday, because we are glad that today it's also a state holiday. That is another thing we had endeavored for a long time, and we've achieved that. And I hope in the future we'll continue to follow this and become, one people and march together for progress of the state. Thank you.
Paithago Maharaja Bikram Welfare Society ni rungsrungnai sikli rok Uzainta Palace Bwskangni Simi Khlaikha kaisa naithotok rally Raja Khor Agulini Simi Omitni Koktum Chin Khorang